Hello friends. So the topic is Power BI. In Power BI, we're going to discuss about what is the use of Power BI. So actually, what is the use of Power BI? In Power BI, the Microsoft interactive data visualizations and analytics tools for business intelligence. So you can use it for to pull data from a wide range of systems in the cloud and on premises and create dashboards that attract that you can about the most and drill in and ask questions about your data. Power BI allows real-time dashboards updates. Power BI offers fast hybrid configuration and secure. It helps in data exploration using natural language and it can connect to a data. It can transform a model data and it create charts and graphs and it share reports with others using a Power BI service.